Alright guys, today we're going to be making the cheddar garlic biscuit mix from Pillsbury, and it's going to require us to have some milk, which is the only basic requirement besides the mixing, but we're going to add the optional cheese to it. It should take about 8 minutes in the oven, cooking at 400. The instructions here call for us to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So come here, preheat to 400, get that started, click on our oven light. Alright guys, I'm currently combining all of the ingredients here. It says combine biscuit mix, milk and cheese in a mixing bowl until soft dough forms. This is my first time making this, so we shall see how this turns out. It already smells super garlicky.
It does. But I love garlic, so.
Yes, our son, not so much.
Absolutely.
It's crazy how fast this legit turns into dough. I was not expecting it to be doughy this fast, but here we are. Mix it well, because last time when I made the cornbread, actually there was an egg that wasn't mixed right, and I had a cooked egg in my mix, so try not to repeat that. And here is, for reference, how terrible these were laid in this pan, so we shall see how well they are cooked when we're done.
So that is what he's making, and this is what we have. True beauty.
Looks like my 7-year-old son could have done a better job.
I'm actually just letting him go at it in the kitchen alone. I'm like, you know what? You got this. You've got this. So this is what we've come to, and I think he's doing a fabulous job. Not making too much of a mess here. He's doing pretty good.
Yes, I've already cleaned all the dishes.
He's wonderful. Love it. I can't wait to try them. We'll let y'all know. All right, the timer has went off, y'all, but I'm gonna suggest that he leaves these in here probably a couple more minutes.
Get that golden brown.
Yeah, it looks like the bottoms are getting brown, but probably a little bit more to get the tops kind of crispy.
Yes.
So, yay, and I'll have you know they actually smell delicious. There's a lot of mixed reviews on this, and
yeah, especially people talking about, oh, I wasted my money buying this. It costs $1, guys.
$1.25
for 12 biscuits.
I mean, that's not bad. This can be good with all kinds of soups, many things. I mean, you can get creative with it, add a few ingredients. Some people say it's kind of bland without the cheese and even with the cheese, but
We're about to be here to tell you.
I smell the garlic, so I'm excited. I feel like this would be really good with tomato soup.
Yeah.
Actually. And then of course I'm the kind of person where if the ingredients, I know how it is, like when I first started cooking, I used to be so by the book with the instructions and
Which
with this,
I am, and she's not.
you know, and it's all about being creative with your seasonings and just have fun with it. Add some butter, add some seasoning, do what you want. That's the beauty about it. So, can't wait to try these guys out.
Yay.
Excited. All right, it has been a little bit over time. We're gonna take these boogers out. They're actually looking pretty good. Let me see here. Okay, it's the bottom, it's the top. time to plate these boogers. Somehow I ended up over here doing the job, but that's all right because I love it. All right, let's get them all scooped. What do they do?
To dry them out.
Okay. I think that's good enough for now.
Let's see how they come out. Well, here we go, guys. The cheddar biscuit garlic mix from Pillsbury, and we have a special guest coming.
Yay! The OG Pillsbury. He is here with us today, and we're gonna try out his biscuits. So let's see. Really not bad.
Not as bad as they say.
No. I mean, it's flaky, it's good. Smells like a biscuit.
You know, they say that they were conservative on the garlic, but it's not bad. You know, I can taste it.
It's perfect. $1.25 though, y'all. Can't go wrong with that. Like I said, this would be perfect for tomato soup, all kinds of things. You can get creative with it. Now, I could add some garlic salt to it and it'd probably make it a little bit more garlicky and buttery. Maybe add a tad of butter. But, oh, it's great.
I like that it's not the pre-rolled biscuit taste that you get from like the cylinders.
Yeah.
And also, I feel like if you don't want to drive out to Red Lobster, it's pretty comparable.
It's a pretty good alternative. Wow. Good little snack, too. I like it. Good job, babe.
Thank you. Well, guys, let us know what you think in the comments if you want to try this. Have you tried it?
Mm-hmm.